In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and click on Display section. Now scroll down again and tap on Display Size and Text. Following that, you need to swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview here. And when you're ready, click on the back button. As you can see after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!